So I've had hand pain for a very long time. I went to two hand surgeons. I went to another place to do physical therapy, and nothing was helping. So I gave up on my hand for some time, and then I ran into Juan. And I started coming here, and I've been coming here for a couple weeks now, and it took me a little bit to see improvement, but once I started seeing improvement, my hand pain started getting much better, and the pain started going away. I started being able to use it more and more. The difference between the other places and this place, hands-on therapy, is here I feel it's more custom, it's more thorough. Over there in the other places it's more generic. It's like, do this and that's it. Here you adjust all the time. Okay, let's try this, let's check this, let's check that. It's a lot more thorough. What do I like the most about coming here? I like how the service is tailored to the individual. I see it with all the patients. Everything is unique. It's not the same therapy for everybody. So, anybody that has pain, any kind of hand pain, at least from my experience here, they definitely should come here for an evaluation and see what they recommend.